So I'm going to show you the correct way to wash your hands, because reducing the pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and potentially fungus on our skin is very, very important. So it should take about 20 seconds to wash your hands. So the first thing you're going to do, wet your hands, soap, make sure you get in between all your fingers into the web spaces. Make sure you're getting your thumbs. And then you can take your brush, wet that, scrub your nails. And rinse thoroughly. When you're at home, you can use a clean towel. I would change it kind of frequently. You can use a paper towel. And of course throw this away. And then use your hand sanitizer. In a pinch, hand sanitizer works well enough without washing your hands. So if you were out someplace and you felt like you needed hand sanitizer, which we frequently do, that's great, but you should wash your hands and use hand sanitizer ideally. Bye-bye. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, as you've seen many times in the shop, all of the chemicals that we use for sanitation in the shop or the salon. We mostly always use chemical means to sanitize our implements, our surfaces, our tools. So, barbicide solution, you're going to mix that according to manufacturer's directions. Always follow the manufacturer's directions. There's no guessing. If you don't follow the manufacturer's directions, you cannot be guaranteed that it will be effective at destroying all pathogens on surfaces. So when you mix your solution, you're going to wear your protective eyewear and you're going to put gloves on. So we always want to make sure that we are adding chemical to water and not water to chemical. When you add the water first and then you add the chemical, you don't get that foam. And it also reduces the potential for any splashback of chemical onto your person. Before we ever touch our clients, we're going to use an antiseptic solution. You should always be washing your hands for 20 seconds before you even use an antiseptic solution on your hands. Antiseptics are for skin, disinfectants are for surfaces and implements. We want to make sure that we have sanitized our chair with barbicide wipes or a barbicide spray. The substance must stay on the surfaces for 5 minutes or more. They need to stay wet in order to be effective. The client should always have a neck strip and a cape on. No matter what service that you're performing, you are always going to make sure that your client is protected at all costs. It is our responsibility to prevent the spread of disease to the public at large. They trust us to do that. We are professionals.